Hi, my name is Lucy Lee, and I'm making cupcakes with my mom. So cupcakes can be good and cherry on top. So today we're going to use this 2 cups of milk, but I already poured it. So we're going to stir this and that and make a cupcake sign. We're going to turn it on.
There you go.
And look, until you stir it around, you're gonna make puffs of milk.
Yeah, keep it down in there. Good. Yeah, now move it around. Good.
And
How many eggs did you put in?
2 and
2 plus 1, which was 3, right?
Yep.
And you put in water.
Yep.
And what else?
Some
Oil.
oil and eggs. So
We gotta
that's-
mix it up. Oh, hold on, keep mixing. There we
so
go.
everyone can know it's a big thing. I think I can do it.
Okay.
And we're going to let it just stir around and around and around. So until we turn it off, we're going to pour it in this little,
And these?
yeah. And so
What do you put on top of it?
cherries,
Cherries or
sprinkles,
and
icing,
icing, right?
yep, icing, and I need chocolate on top of it.
Okay.
And then
Tell them you'll be back after commercial break.
we will be back in commercial aid. So until my mom comes, we're going to stir it all around. Now we're going to turn it off. Like that.
Yeah. Okay.
There.